Hey guys, welcome to another video here on the channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the latest jewel box from Isis Ella Jewels. I'll have all her shop information in the description box. This is a black owned shop as well. And if you guys would like more information on black owned shops, I do have 2 videos with over 40 plus shops listed in the description boxes of those videos. So check that out below as well. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So getting into this unboxing, this jewel box was actually in collaboration with another black owned shop, Wildly Noted. So all of the vibes inside of here is very much so fall. I love the color palette. For this to be my first box, I'm excited as to what I'm going to be creating with this. So let's go ahead and get right into it. It is a sleek black box, and when you open it up, it says, "It's your time to shine." And then here are the goodies. So there's the sticker here, the jewel box, tissue paper, be gentle with yourself on your self-love journey. So this kit came with double-sided scrapbook paper, a piece of vellum, some stickers, a list pad, and then some journaling cards. So taking a closer look at the paper, we'll start with that first. Let's go ahead and start with the vellum since it's on top. So here is the vellum, and this would make for a really, really cute dashboard, which I'll be using it for that. And then there's this first print here. So there's the front and back of that. Out of all the papers that I'm going to show, this is my least favorite design. But what's great about it being double-sided is that you could layer your stickers, and when you laminate it, you can laminate it just like this. Or if you wanted it to be a little bit thicker and put the 2 pages together, you could do that as well. But overall, very, very nice quality. So that's that print. And then the next print I love. So here's the leopard, which is the same as the vellum that I just showed. And then we have this here, which is beautiful. So I'm definitely going to be doing something with this one first. I love this print. And then the third print is this one. And this is giving me like textured vibes. This is going to be a good base for layering if you wanted to take this and then take the print and put the print on top, or other pieces that are a part of this kit, or the journaling cards that are a part of this. This is a nice blank canvas to do that. So those were the different prints that came with the paper. I love double-sided paper because then I don't have to figure out what I'm going to put on the back. So moving on to the stickers, we have this Embrace Your Journey kit on one page. I will go ahead and zoom in. Make sure you guys are in focus. All right. So we have the days of the week here, some headers, to do today, notes, another to do. We have some dolls, some hearts, notes, some quarter boxes, some icons here. This doll right here, girl, if we were not in a pandemic, if this was not quarantine 2020, because that's what 2020 has been, just quarantine all over. This is a look. This is a whole vibe. Like, this entire doll is a vibe. This is something that I would actually wear. And to be honest, the ripped jeans with the scarf and the clutch, I've done that. I've done that look. Super cute. So I love this kit, and I'll definitely be using this in my memory planner. Then we have these here, which are super cute. And then the boxes say, "I'm coming for everything I deserve. I will proceed with caution, but not fear. Embrace all that is you. Sometimes everything is going wrong for the right reason. And these, I believe, correlate with the journaling cards from what I've seen so far. And then more dolls. All right. Then next up, we have the Embrace Your Journey squad right here. Every single one of these is a vibe. And which ones would I actually wear? This girl over here with the coat. And then my girl right here with the bleached. These look like joggers and some sneakers. Yep. Yep, that's me. That's me. And this would be me if I'm trying to get cute. But this is more my style on the regular. Love that. And then we have the girls that are featured. So there's Diane, Tiffany, Sasha, and Jade. Jade is giving me life with this faux fur jacket she has going on. Love that. But Sasha, I mean, the hoodie and the joggers and the sneakers. I mean, who don't want that? And then you do have a little bit of deco here. So a bigger doll, smaller doll. And then in the corner, a little bit of deco. Super cute. Now let's move on to the journaling cards. I don't even know how many are in here. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So as for the ones that are on that sticker sheet, this one, and then the I Will Proceed with Caution, the Sometimes, and then the Embrace All That Is You. So these 4 correlate with this sticker sheet here, as I noted. And then the other 6 say, part of the spiritual work is remembering who you are when triggered. Y'all, quick word, really quick. When you are able to identify your triggers as someone that deals with anxiety and depression, when you are able to identify those triggers, the recovery and the way that you handle things is a complete game changer, FYI. Then this one that says never give up, never adjust shade from trees with no fruit, that part. And so the journey begins. Shift so hard you have to reintroduce yourself, and let today be the start of something new. I really love this color palette. It is perfect for fall. Love, love, love. All right, then last but not least, we have this list pad, which has quite a few pages. And you have your day of the week at the top. Date, affirmation, today I will, and elevated thoughts. This is literally the perfect journaling snapshot if you're looking to get into journaling, if you're looking to have that positivity on a daily basis and incorporate it into your system. This is a great way to get started. And if you're using a bullet journal, you can go ahead and tape this in, or if you have a regular ring planner or Discbound, you can either hole punch it or you can tape it right onto your page. It all works. This will work for any kind of planner that you're using, which I love. So that is it for this jewel box, for this to be my first one. I love the color palette, is just everything for me. So there's stickers, the paper, the list pad, the journaling cards. Let's bring everything back in. This together with shipping was around, I would say 40, mid 40s. Am I right? Let me get the exact price of what it is. I don't want to lie. But yeah, it was definitely in the 40s range. So it was 43, and that included the shipping. So you get the paper, the double-sided paper, the list pad, the stickers, and the journaling cards. And I know sometimes what I've seen in the shop is that there are some of these items available a la carte after the box is already sold, but I'll have full information for you guys to check out and become a part of the Jewel Squad down in the description box. So be sure to check that out. And I'll also have more Black owned shops for you guys to check out in the description box as well. And I also have info on Wildly Noted, who was a part of the collab for this particular sub box this month. So that is it. Let me know what you guys think down in the description box. What should I make first? Should I make a dashboard or should I do a planner spread? Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Again, be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have related videos, so much more, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.